So whenever you drag something from the top to bottom, it is going to fill the same. So let's see that. So for example, I'm giving here that serial number. So I want to take it 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So if I want to take it the 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, I need to fill the data every time. Just like that, 1, here 2, next 3 like this. Instead of going to type every time like this serial numbers, what I want, so once I drag this one, I want to fill the same data. So just like that. Just hold the control button, left arrow, mouse button, just here hold this one. So observe here the double plus coming. Usually it will come the single plus. So when you hold the control button, it will give you double plus. Then drag from here. Just like this, it will give you a serial number like this. As many numbers as you want, you just simply drag from top to bottom like this. Nothing bigger. So just like this. Now in our scenario, observe here the numbers you can drag. And the month names also let me try here. So can I get the month name as well? The same. So month name I'm taking here January. So the moment go at the end, it will give you the plus symbol. So just to drag from top to bottom like this. You will get the month name serially. So you don't need to type every time. So that's it. In the month name, let me try with the full month name. January. Just the same thing, go at the end, just drag from top to bottom. So just like this, you will get the full month name and 3 letters from the month name. So this is how. Next dates also you try to drag the same manner, same way. For example, I am taking the date from the 1st August. Just to 08/2025 till the date I want to get it. So what you do? Simple, you select, drag that down. So instead of this, what you do? So month name, let me change here that first month name, let me give. First month name, next date you can give, then year you can give. So drag from top to bottom. Now observe here, this is how you get the dates as well. In the dates, let me use the date only. So let me try with 01. Let me try with 01 August 2025. The format only I'm changing. Let me try with this one. So drag from bottom to top, top to bottom. So it will give you the result just like this. So this is called autofill handle. So the way you want to get it, instead of the going to fill every time, so you can drag from top to bottom, you will get this one. So let's see my next one. Weeks also you can bring, quarters also you can bring. So you try to bring that one. So weeks, weekday. Let me give weekday name. So let me give here the Sunday. Let me give 3 letters only. Let me check with first 3 letters. Then try to drag. We'll get. Let me try with the full weekday name. So what it is going to give you full weekday name. Only full name you just enter. Sunday I give it. Then drag from here to down. Simple. This is how you get. And the next, what you are going to do here, that even number, odd numbers also, you try to do it. And just let me write even numbers. So what you do, 2, 4, 6 like this, I'm giving. So then from here, I want to drag. So if you drag like this, it is giving you 4 only. Then what I do here, that, so just to hold the control button. Control button, mouse left, that button, mouse left button, then drag. Now you get the all even number. No, it is giving you serial number. Let me retry here. Two, 4, 6. Now let me try. Control mouse right button, then drag. No, still not getting. Just to drag, it will give you a duplicate. Control mouse button. No. Let me select from here to down. Now use the control mouse button, then drag. Okay, it is giving you 244 the same value. Wait, let me try one more time. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me try now. It is giving you duplicate, and hold the control button, mouse button, drag it. Still giving the same. Let it be. So why stucking here? Let me check with the odd number. Odd number 1, 3, 5. So let me drag. It will give you a duplicate. Hold the control button, right mouse button, just to try to drag. Tap in. Now let me try now. Same thing repeating. No. Okay, this one I will check it. So let it pending. We'll check this one. Even number, odd number also, you can get like the serial number only. So let me give one more trial, final. 2, 4, 6. These are all the even numbers. I just wanted to drag. It is giving only duplicate. Hold the control button, right mouse button, giving a serial number now. So now let me try with this. No. Okay, let it be. I will check it. Why stacking at one scenario? So these two are pending. Even number, odd number, we need to do by using the autofill handle. Okay, let's see next one. So next one, what I want to do here, that I want to clear that format cells, clear cells, clear content. So let me open some other Excel to get the some data. So let me copy some of the data. Copy from here, paste in your new Excel. Okay, fine. So go to at the corner, select all, click anywhere at the column. So all things automatically go fit. So now I want to clear the format cell, clear cells, clear content. So if you want to clear anything, so what is the option that is available? That is only the thing. So already options, So first select whatever you want to, remove that one. Hold the shift button, down arrow to get select. Then here the options are there. Format, not here. Delete clear cell, insert. Okay. Insert, not insert. Delete, no. This option clear. So observe here the clear. So if you want to clear all, you can clear all. So if you want to clear the format, so clear the format. So let me try with one. First one, I want to clear all. So click over here, it will get clear. So can I use this Control Z? Yes. So you can clear that one, you can get it back for now. So if you make the change other things, let me change this font, any formats change. So this, I want to change the some format, different style. So now let me check this one, select all. Now what I want to go to the clear format. Click on it, it will get clear. Whatever the format that you have made earlier. So that is how simple. The next option also that is there here, that clear content. If you want to clear the content, you can clear. For example, I have selected this much. So I want to clear that one. Simple, you just clear all. That much simple. So for example, I am taking this one, all the consumer information. So what I am doing here, I want to clear that comment also. If you want to clear the comment, you can clear. So we haven't cleared that, comments. So for now, you can't able to experience that. So this is how some of the options which are related to that. Let's see my next scenario. So here I just wanted to calculate aggregations, sum, multiply, minimum, average, maximum, count, all these values I want to do that one. So how to do that one? Observe here. So here let me copy some of the measure values, cells. Let me copy from here. Not here. Go here and just paste here. Just observe, I want to know about this total sum. So what should I do? So first to go and select this one. So entire thing. So did you see at the down? You can see here the 7183. So count 22. So count means each row. Each row is going to count as many as values that you have selected. And the average value also come. So by using that, aggregations I wanted to know. So how to do that one? Here the option it is there. If you want to know about that sum, you can know. Click on it, sum. You will get answer at the down. The same answer. Same till the only you just select. The next one, you just click over here the average value. It will give you the average value here. So next, shift to the up arrow till the here only dates, values are there. Go here the count numbers. It will give you the count numbers. How many numbers are there? So total. So up arrow, just go here that maximum value you want to find out of this values. What is the maximum value that you can find? So this is the maximum value. And one more, option that is there. Let me check that one also. Minimum value you can find. So these are all the some of the informations. So this is the sum of these totals, and this value is the average of totals, and this is the total count, and this is the maximum value. So this is the minimum value. So you just observe here the out of this you will find out that 2.544 is a minimum value. So where it is available, that one. There is 2.544. There is no that value. How it comes here? Fine. So this is the maximum value 1706. You just go check here the out of all this 1706 is the highest value, which means that maximum value. Count means what it is going to count, that each row it is going to count. So total how many you selected? So till here we have selected, just observe here that 23 rows. So if you remove that header, one header, so total count is giving you 22. So just like this, you can go and find out that one. So this is how you simply go and find the values. Simple. Next one, observe. My next scenario is how to format the header, font style and checkboxes. Just observe here the, for example, if you take some table. So let me take again table. Some copying from this. I'm going to use it. I'm pasting here. This is some of my table. So what I want to know about the headers. So headers, what should I give? So that is the thing. So once you go here, that format, where it is cells now, here. So different headers, different things, they are giving you, indicating the colors. These are all the international standard colors. Any client, any person across the world, they can understand based on your color background. So for example, normal text. So what you are using here, the normal text. If you want to give that any bad. So for example, here the standard, it is not giving you, such good, information. So you can call it as it is not giving you such good sales. So you simply go here that you can give this one as a bad. So anybody can understand by looking at this. So that is how. So if something is you want to give, so consumer and this one, you can give good sales like this. So if you want to give such cities like this, so these are all the indications for the clients. They can understand by looking at the background color. This is neutral values, just like this. By looking at these colors, they can understand that one. So apart from this, for example, let me select the some of the items are here. Go here, you can give that calculations. The moment you click over here, the observe here that. So these are all the values that you have used calculations like that. So whatever the value that you want to select, you just simply select that one. So based on here that input output, you can give that one. So this is how. So earlier we done this one. So some of aggregation values, what is the input for this, all this. So these are all the input. So you just go select from here. Hold the shift button down arrow. Go select all the items, then go here. So you can simply, making you understand that this is the input for the down output. So this output also, there is the color, background colors. You just select them and go here. This is the output value like this. So this is how you just simply use that different colors for your value to make understand by the customers. So let's see. Apart from this, what else is there? Let me select some of the data. Then in the cells, I'm giving some other colors also. So I'm giving something color like this. You can use. So now what I want, these headers. So just to select all your headers, which means that column names. Just to go here and you can select any header here. Heading. It will give you a heading like that. So you no need to format it anything. So you can simply give that header. It will give you automatically fit there. This is how. If you have any totals also, totals color also there, you can give that total colors. So here. So for example, let me take this count. So total, I am just selecting all the down. So I'm going for the aggregation. I want to know about that count numbers. So this is right. This count is giving like this. Okay, this formula will write another scenario, not now. Okay, let it be. Let count. Otherwise, you can take here. You can't copy. So let me take this one. Count numbers. So just go aggregate. Then go for the count numbers. This is the total number count. So what you need to do, just shift up arrow till here. This is the input. Just go here that input color. So this is the total. So total, you just use that one. So this is all. So by looking at this, lines, double lines, they can understand. So whatever the data, whatever the playing that you are doing here. So let's see next one. Next one is nothing bigger. So filters and sorting, ascending, descending order. So for this also again copy this data. Go here. So first you want to get the filters. So double click any column. Okay. I want to get the headers, filters. First, what I want to do, select all your headers. First, to make it into the your style. So header style. Then next step, what you do, here the filter icon is there. The moment click on the down, so there is the option filter. Just observe here the moment I click over here that, so every column is getting the drop down option, which like a filter option. So for example, if you want to filter it out based on the something, so you just click over here. The same thing, Power Query, whatever we did. So only this this city I just wanted to know. So this is how you get it. Simple. Whatever you have done Power Query Editor, same thing. You just play with that one. So, but the thing is how you are going to enable that filters. That is only you just keep in mind. Just click on it, you will get the all. So just go clear that filter. The same options, whatever you have seen there. And one more thing, sorting option. So select your column first, then go for the sorting. So here the A to G, G to A, already. Click on it. Click on the sort. So this is A to G. You got. The same thing. Can I go for the multiple sorting? So we can go, but the problem is it won't give you right result. I'm going for the G to A. Just observe here. It is already G to A format, I think. Okay. But is it giving you a right result? C, D, E, F, G, H, L, M, N, O, C. Here A to AI. So it is not applying for the multiple sorting. Observe here it is started from the I, second value. So that is why here the A is there. So earlier sorting, it is not giving you the right result for the on top of that another sorting. So that is just to keep in mind. So let me take the big data. So let me take this one, customer name. I want to sort it out. A to Z. You can sort it out. Perfect. If I sort it out another column as well. So I'm taking this one. I want to go for the ulta sorting. G to A. So observe here, are you getting the same sorting? No. So wherever you apply the sorting, that is only it is going to take the final sorting. So based on that only it will go effect on the other columns. So this is one thing you just remember. And one more thing, it is that custom sorting. In the custom sorting, what you can do, so you can do that the multiple values. So it's just like a advanced sorting. So I have taken that city for the sorting. So value, let it be, and whatever the way that you want to do that one, the sorting you can do A to Z or G to A. So I'm taking that A to Z, first one. And the second one, you just add the one more level. And the one more level, I want to take the customer name. Here the value, let it be. And here I want to sorting the different way. And one more thing is there, add level. So go here, you can take the any other things. So what items is having the more number? Let me take subcategory. And let it be advanced sorting. And instead of this A to Z, so there is the custom list. This is one more advanced sorting. You can go for this sorting like this, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like this. You can sort it out. Otherwise, full name with the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday like this, and January, February like this. Or you can give any name based on that. You can sort it out. So how I'm giving here that. So next one, let me add the next one. Wait, new list here on the top. Okay, new list. You can add something here. I want to start from my sorting O, P, Q, R like this. You just click on add. So it will come. This is your personal sorting. Based on that, you can go on sorting. So this is all. I have taken the 3, 1, 2, 3. You can add as many as you want. But observe here that city, we have taken that A to Z. Customer name G to A, and subcategory we have taken the starting from O. Just observe. What we are getting? Customer name. So only first sorting order it is going to get. So it will affect on the other columns. And when you go for the subcategory also, are you getting anything sorting based on your OPQ like this? No. So this is why whenever you go for the multiple sorting, it will take that whatever you have given the first sorting order. So this is just remember. So apart from this, so any shortcuts, whenever it comes shortcuts, autofill handle, I told you that use that control button and the shift button, select the data and all, you just simply remember. So now, next observe here that from here, okay. First what I want here that, so create your data, table format, clean and neat, understandable data. So I want to create one data that should be very clean and neat, understandable. So without using that anything, so without going to format it. So what I do, let me take some data from here. So I want to convert this into the table format. So by using the shortcuts, by using the different options. So let me take some of the measure values as well. Okay, perfect. So what I want to do, so this is overlapping somewhat. And what I do, so go here, the expand it everything. So instead of that, what you do, just to hold the control Alt, so it will get select. Otherwise, one more shortcut, what you do, so keep it at the starting, just a shift button, right arrow. So like this, one by one you can select. So otherwise, hold the shift button, down arrow like this, you can select one by one. Instead of that entire table, if you want to select by using the shortcuts, control shift button, right arrow, directly it will go select till the end. So control shift button, down arrow, it will go select the entire thing at one go. So this is how you do in your real time, because of the sometimes the table you need to select. So now next step what I want to do here that, so directly hold the control button T. The moment you use that control T, so it will give you this one. This entire table is getting selected at the background. Did you observe? So after you get selected, it will give you the from where you have selected. Then you just simply click on OK. So it will convert it into your table format. Yesterday we have seen. Then from here you can change the whatever the style that you want. So that is the shortcut how to get it. So this is how your table format. So along with that, what it is going to give you, so you have this one, filter options. The same filter options, whatever the text data. So for example, I am taking here the content. So which column I have taken, I don't know. I think the state. Let me give Texas. Yes, I am giving here. Click on OK. So both are all having the Texas. Both are all having the S letter. So that's why it is giving you. So same options, whatever we have experienced there, Power Query Editor. So go here, all the text format, the same things. So content, begin with, end with. So you can start with the begin with. So only one is there now. Yes. Let me take this one. Let me take this is having the huge amount of the data. What should I do? Control Alt to select entire thing. Control T. Then click on OK. Then this will convert into the table format. The way you want to see your table, you can convert. So for example, here the customer name, I'm just taking this one. I want to go here. I want to give here the begin with. So I want to begin my customer is, let me give any small letters, let me give K. So will it case sensitive or not? I just wanted to check. Let me give, is it case sensitive? No. But when I go for the Power Query Editor, that is case sensitive. That is remember. So just clear it. So any date format, so number format, you just go here so your options are different. So this is how you just simply observe. So here the top 10 is directly coming, click over here. So you will get only the top 10 values, whatever the items that you want. Only let me take top 5 values. Just to click on OK. So these are all the top 5 values in your data. And at 10,000 of records, this is the top 5. You just go clear it. So other options you just try, you know already. So otherwise the number data, date data type, let me show you date data type. Click on it, go to the filters, here observe the same options whatever you have in your Power BI service, Power BI, Power Query Editor. So you just wanted to click anything. So these data are not there. So let me take some of the data between data. So between data, let me take any date. 8/14/2016, this one I'm taking. This is starting date. So I want to take some end date as well. So let me take 1 month, next 1 month only. So same 14 I have given, same 2014. Only 1 month data I have given. So till this date to this date. Just to click on OK. So this is how you get that data. So this much you know already. So how to go and check it. You just do try on your own. So next thing, observe here that aggregate functions. So far what we have done, we have used the option only. So by using the options only, we got this aggregate functions. But what I want here, that I want to write the formulas for the aggregate functions only. So formulas just like sum, minimum, maximum, and average, just like only we are going to take it. Just observe here, this converted into table format. So this will give you a table format output. Let me take plain text. Let me clear this. Let me open same file. Because plain text will give you better analysis to understand such formulas. So let me take some of the information just like this. Copy from here. Go paste here. So this is some of the data. Okay, let me take some measure values. Measure values are required. Okay, some data randomly I'm filling here. What I want here, earlier what I did, I'm selecting all this first. Then I'm going to home menu. There is the aggregate options. Click on it. Just click the sum. It will give you some value here. So this is sum. The same thing I just wanted to use that formula. So how to use the formula here? That just give equal to, just type sum. So these are all the functions down, giving you suggestions. Whatever the functions that you have in your Power BI, almost the similar functions you can repeat here. You can see here as well. So just hit the tab, then open braces. You have to select the values. So I want to select the values from here. So observe here, wherever you click over here, that it will come F2. F2 means this is the F column. So this is the second row. So F2 means second row, the same column. So I'm selecting, hold the shift button, just down, select the all the values wherever you want to go to select. So till there, just observe from there to from there, you are going to select it. So from F2 means F column and the second row, and till double quote it is going to give. At the end, what it is going to give, same column F only, and your row number is 14. So this is how. Just hit the enter, you will get the answer. So this is how, by using the formula. So here we didn't use any formula, but automatically it will take. So by using this option. This is how. Let's say the same thing already we are going to do. Just escape it. Now I want to go for the average. The same thing formula, just give equal to, just type average. Just hit the tab and select your numbers. So for example, I am selecting only 4-5 numbers. Till here only it will give you average, not all the values. So wherever you just selected values only, it is going to give you the result. Just hit the enter. So this is the average value of whatever we have selected. So I want to go for the all the values average. Simple, just give equal to, just type that average, hit the tab, just select your numbers from top to bottom. So just hit the enter. So this is the overall average of your data. Simple. Then the same manner, minimum value, if you want to find out, just give equal to, just type minimum. This means you just select the values. Out of these values, I want to know about that what is the minimum value. So out of this value, what is the minimum value here? Just observe 7.28. So I'm expecting this value as my result. I have selected F2 to F14. Just hit the enter. So this is the value come. So I just wanted to know about that minimum value. So minimum, just give equal to. So just type minimum, not minimum, maximum value. Just give max. So select this one. So from here to down, then hit the enter. So this is your maximum value, not minimum value. And the count also you can do. So count means what it is going to do, only count number of rows. So just select from here, just go down, just hit the enter. So this is how 13 records are there in your data. So can I count the horizontally? Let me check it. I'm just giving equal to, typing here the count. So let me try to select like this. Hit the enter. Can you go for the horizontal? Yes, you can go for it. The maximum value also, can you go for it? So let me check here. Max. I want to go like this horizontally. Go like this, just hit the enter. So what is the maximum value out of this? This is the maximum value. The minimum also same thing, you can do that one. Simple. Let's see my next scenario. So this is very great scenario. I want to save our table. So before this, we will do this one. So in our real time, so whenever you go for the any non-IT, so whenever you go for the any retailing market, for example. So in the retailing market, so retails what they are doing. What they are doing, so everyday sales are coming. So everyday sales, so manager of your, for example, let me take the DMart. So one location of the DMart, Hyderabad, there might be the 5-10 locations. So example, 10 locations. And entire India, you can call it as a 1 lakh locations. So what I want here that, so each manager is completed their, sales at the end of the day. So that time, what manager want to do? So they wanted to share their report. So they share their text report, text table to the one senior manager. You can call it as a regional manager. So what they can use that? So they want to use that. So from which location? For example, high tech city. So DMart. location. So from this location, from this date, 14th 8 2025, so this date, and from the DMART logo you can provide, and you can give that who are who is sending. So for example, so this is manager that I need to send his name, manager name, so regional manager name, and who is sending that. So for example, I am sending, so here the my name like this, so you can provide. So between that all this information I want to give that my data here. So text table, just observe here that, so that is the thing only. I want to give that header, I want to give logo, page numbers, information, and I want to share them into the PDF format. So how to do that one? Just observe. So let me take this one only. So this data. So this is the data from one location of your DMART. So I'm copying this one. Go here, paste. So this is the data. So let me convert into the good format. Control A, Control T. So change into your table format. Let me give this format. Headers are not coming. Control T. What happened? What happened? Table. You are not enabled. Let me take copy one more. So the headers are not appearing. That is why. Just Control C. Control V. Control T. Let me take table format. So let me take this one, headers. Otherwise, let me change the header names. Okay, fine. Now I want to share this one. So by providing the all the details information, where it is coming from, to whom I need to share, and all. So what I do, go to the insert page, and there is the option header and footer. Click over here. So this is how your format will come. So you have to provide that header and footer at the top. So you can edit here. Everything is editable. So I'm giving here that Hyderabad location. So my location is High-Tech City, DMART. So here today report, today sales report. So here logo you can insert. So go here. Where is that image? Is not inserting. Right click, not working. Image, what happened? Image, new format. Okay, let's see this one. Image we can, give that one. And the once you go down, here the footer is there. So here I want to say to the manager, regional manager, for example, South manager, name. You can give here the name. So for example, ABC. So here the page number I want to give. So this is the first page out of 10 pages I have sent. And here the my name is. So my name is here the, let me give my name is something like this. So this is my name. So you go here the as many reports as you have, it will give you that one. So the same. So here logo only, what is happening here. So let me take into the new file. I'm copying this one. Let me open the new Excel. So why let it pending? Let me try with new one. I'm not doing anything. Go to the insert, and there is the add run filter. So now your logo enabled. Design here, there, picture you can take. Browse file. Okay, I think we have DMart logos here. So you can insert like this logo. So now you can give it this DMart logo. What you do, you can format picture, then increase the size. Let me click OK, set it. Just reset. No, still format it. So let me click OK. Now somewhat logo coming. You can increase that one, the format size. That is fine. Okay, somewhat better. Now you can give everything the same. So date you can give, for example, today date. Otherwise, 14th August 2025 report. Analysis reporting sales report you can give, that will be meaningful. So here that you can give that location, Hyderabad, High-Tech City location. The same manner in the down you can give. So page number also you can make dynamic. Let's check that one as well. So this is my name, something I'm sending, and this is my regional manager. So his name is something like this. So this page also we can give dynamic. Let me check this one. Page number. Just insert the page number only, it will go dynamic. So observe here the font. So when you go for the second page, only one page which we have. Let me take the use number of the data. So let me take. Just I'm taking. You might experience that pagination in your Power BI service. Some people know about it. So take him to the new sheet. So Control on, Control T I'm using. So to convert into table format. So now I want to go for that. So just to make it the right format. Now what you do, select all, then go to the insert. There is the header and footer. So I'm giving Hyderabad. So here I'm giving that 14 August 2025. I'm giving here the inserting image. So this one format it, you know how to format it. And the footer you can give dynamic number. So just observe here, the remaining things you can give, observe here, second page, the third page, fourth page, like this dynamic you can give. So it will come automatically. So this is also you can format it. So let me directly give here that 20. And one more thing you can give here as well. So this one hyperlink, let me select first. Hyperlink also you can give, where is it? Hyperlink, it is not enabled here. Okay, let it be. We will check that one. Where it is. Now, like this, you are going to share to your client. So what you do, go to the home menu, not file. So go and give the print. So here you can save like this. Observe here the page numbers. Like this, you can get all the reports. It is going to save to your client now. So here the options, many options are there. Just observe here the printing you can give. Here the PDF format you can save. And here the collateral page numbers. And here the portrait mode or landscape mode. The moment I click on it, so it will become the landscape mode like this. So this is the letters, the page size, and this is the margin. So normal margin, wide margin like this. The moment you click here, it will take all the margins. So automatically giving you size. And this is the scaling. You want to fit everything into the one page or like that. So for example, I'm giving here the fit all columns into one page. The moment I click here, so all your columns is going to fit in one column only. So one page only. So there is no second page here, observe here. So this is how you can give no scaling. You can give all the pages are different. It will seems like a readable. So this is how now go for the saving this one. Where is that? Where is that option to save? Go to the save here. Otherwise, go to the share. So here also it is going to save. Okay, let me save it. I'm saving on my desktop. This is saving this one. No, I want to share as a PDF format. So let me check this one. Export PDF. Okay, let me now try with this one. Let me check that one first. PDF DMARC report, click on open it. So this is how your final report will come. So you can share this report to your client, server manager, your client. So till here do practice. So we'll take